So today's video is about the importance of social proof in affiliate marketing. So a couple of days ago I'd made a video and it was to celebrate the fact that I'd made my first ClickFunnels efficient. I'd basically got someone to sign up for the One Funnel Away challenge, which pays me $100 commission. The One Funnel Away challenge itself costs $100, and ClickFunnels, who created that training course, they basically passed that entire $100 on to the affiliate that signed them up. And I got my first one the other day, so it was a really proud moment. It's the highest commission I've ever received. I've made money online for the last couple of years, but it's usually been smaller commissions or through merch or selling on Amazon, that kind of thing. So from an affiliate point of view, this was my single biggest commission that I'd received. Hey guys, if like me you want to learn how to make a second income stream through affiliate marketing, then hit subscribe and the bell and you won't miss a thing. So I did my video on it. I was a little bit hesitant to do a video because it feels a bit like, wow, look at me, I've made one sale. But I've been taught by a lot of good affiliates to document your journey. It makes it seem real to other people. So if you can show what you're trying to achieve, how you're doing it, the mistakes you make, the things that work for you, your little wins, it gives me that encouragement that it shows kind of how I'm progressing, how I'm getting better every day, because that's what I'm trying to do, get 1% better every day. But it also shows other people that the steps that you take and that by hard work, commitment, taking action, keep creating content, it shows that you do get these little wins. And hopefully this is just that steady build-up of progress. So I kind of put the video together, I put it online, I did my usual thing where I talk at the laptop and then I go back and I edit it in Filmora. And I threw it all together and I put it on there, posted it out to Facebook, and I had a comment which I'll pop on the screen now. It's from Leonardo. Now, Leonardo, firstly, thank you, because you pointed something out to me. You've given me a lesson there which I should have known myself. So Leonardo basically said, why no proof? And I kind of looked at it. At first, I was a bit like, what an odd thing to ask. Why would you ask that? Like, why do you need proof that I made one sale? I'm not going out here now and saying I've just made $1 million this weekend and this is how I did it, so everyone follow me. I'm just documenting my journey and I made one sale. It was a really good sale and I'm really, really pleased with it. But I found it a bit weird that I need to prove that. Like, first of all, why do I need to prove anything to anyone? This is about me and what I'm trying to achieve. Then I took a step back and I realised that I was looking at it in the most stupid possible way. I was being so naive. This is about social proof. This is about, the whole reason I've started this YouTube channel is to convince others that they too can do it, to show that they can do it. By doing it myself, I'm demonstrating that anyone can get started on YouTube, that anyone can learn affiliate marketing. Yet when someone asks me to prove that I'd had this little win, I get a little bit defensive, and that was wrong of me. So Leonardo, I apologise, and this video I'll thank you for, because you inspired me for this one. So I just wanted to do a quick video really to talk about social proof for affiliate marketing. So I'm a little bit torn with this one because a lot of social proof I don't actually like. I can understand why it's there though, and that's what this video is about. So I don't like it because a lot of it's screenshots. Now, photo manipulation is really easy these days. You don't have to have Photoshop, you don't have to be a guru. You can learn enough on YouTube to know how to kind of edit things and copy colours and cut sections out. So I never really see, you know when you go on Facebook groups and people are saying, look, these are the results I've had, but they also only tell part of the story. So even if they're real screenshots, even if they're real, they don't tell you the full story. So it could be that, say someone's made $10,000 that weekend with ClickFunnels. What they don't tell you is they could have spent $10,000 in advertising to get that sale. So you only ever see what's presented there in front of you. You don't see the backstory, which is a little bit why I'm always a bit cynical with social proof. There are other things you can do. You can have testimonials, which testimonials are great, but equally, I know that testimonials, a lot of the time, you can have other people write them that you're kind of aligned with or it's in their interest to promote you. So sometimes you write a testimonial because you've got genuinely good people that want to give you some feedback. They want to give you a testimonial, but you're probably getting the gist here, but I'm a little bit of a cynical person, so don't be as cynical as me because it's a nicer world when you're less cynical than me. Social proof is there for that group validation. It's to use in psychology to convince hesitant people. So you've got people that like you, people that won't, and people in the middle that are just on the fence. They might want to subscribe, they might want to buy your product, but they just need that little bit of encouragement, that little bit of making them feel like it's real. And that's what social proof gives them. And there's different ways we can do it as well. So social proof can be done in various forms, like I've just said there, testimonials, screenshots. Video is a good one, because if you kind of sit in front of the laptop and scroll through and show the payments that you've made, that scrolling image just makes it that little bit more realistic. You can still fake it, don't get me wrong, you can still manipulate video, but there's gonna be less chance that someone's set up a video where they're logging into a fake website and then showing you it. Now the reason people use screenshots more, and the reason I use screenshots, is just because of personal details. You don't really want all your little, like your affiliate ID or your full name or your email address. So ClickFunnels shows your email address and your affiliate ID. So if I put my picture on now, you'll notice, top left, you'll see my lovely beautiful smiley face, and then you'll see a little bit under, to the side of it, which is going to be edited out, let's say. And that's because that's my affiliate ID and one of my email addresses, which aren't for public consumption. But there are different forms of social proof that we can use. Now this made me remember a video I saw a couple of years ago. It was 2013. Now you know Banksy, the famous or infamous artist, the one that leaves kind of street art lying around and no one really knows their identity. He did a little experiment where he set up in Central Park. And he set up like a little stall. I'll put the link to the video in the description below. But he set up a little stall just selling like bits of art that he'd basically made, little canvases. And he put it next to a few other street vendors. And he basically did it as like a social experiment. So it's shown that this guy sat there. I mean, it was obviously like an actor that was hired to sell them for him. But this guy stood there and he videoed it from a distance. And it was to see how many of these pictures he would sell. So they were all Banksy originals, which go for ridiculous money. So over the course of the day, I think there was 3 people that bought. He made about $420. There's only about 3 people that bought. One guy had basically moved into a new apartment, and he said, I just want something to go on the walls. So he was probably the biggest sale. Now that guy now is probably sitting on over $100,000 worth of art, and he paid like $60 a piece. So they put all this artwork there and sold them for $60. And most people weren't interested. So Central Park, New York, loads of people just walking past. Now, if there was any social proof around that, if anyone knew that that was a Banksy, if anyone had any inclination whatsoever that that was genuine, and this could only be done once really, because if you did it again now, it wouldn't be the same because people would know that it was some kind of experiment. So if anyone had that inclination that they were originals, there'd be a riot. I mean, you've seen what it's like on Black Friday sales, so you can imagine what that'd be like when people know there's money involved and they can pay $60 for a picture that could be worth thousands and thousands afterwards. It'd be mayhem, wouldn't it? It'd be absolute carnage. So that's giving that a little bit of social proof. So without the social proof, no one knows, and it's basically just passes by the odd random sale that kind of thinks, yeah, that's okay, I like that. Whereas with social proof, it just creates that kind of mass desire and excitement and hunger to buy, to sign up, to subscribe. It just gives that little bit more conviction to people. It gives them that reassurance. So if you're like a slightly hesitant person or slightly cynical person like me, social proof is a great way of pushing them over the line, for making them subscribe and buy. It's about breaking down their objections. So you use social proof to break down things that are going to stop them from buying from you. They're going to stop them from clicking on that link in your articles. So there's different ways you can do it. You can do it with storytelling. You can do it with testimonials. You can do it with screenshots, video. If you've got a blog on weight loss, and let's for example say you've got a blog and it's based on weight loss, and you're trying to show your journey, and ultimately all of your content, whether it's YouTube videos, blog posts, you're pointing back to a weight loss product. It could be a fitness program that you've developed and launched. It could be someone else's fitness program and you're trying to get the affiliate payments, because there's good affiliate payments on some of them programs. I know I've got a fitness blog and I've kind of just left it on hold somewhere at the moment while I kind of throw myself into this world, into YouTube. But I know some of the products on there, they can pay really good. So have a look on ClickBank at some of the weight loss, fat loss. Have a look at them. Some of them are awful, but there are some really good ones. But let's just imagine that all of your content in your blog is pointing you back to this product. And then let's say that you actually follow that diet or that fitness program yourself. So it could be that you're overweight, but you really want to change your life, and you use the fact that you're on YouTube or writing a blog, taking those really uncomfortable pictures of what you like. So when you first start and you've kind of hit that point of you don't want to go any further, you've hit the wall and you know that you need to change your life. So imagine that you take them pictures and then 3 months down the line, you take your pictures again and you've been following that. It's almost a bit like you've got that commitment, your blog, your YouTube video, that it's making you accountable, it's making it all real. And then as you go along, the more content that you create and as your journey kind of progresses, let's just say that after X amount of time, you've lost 70 pounds, and that's a massive achievement, and all the benefits that you'll get from that. And you're kind of showing that. Well, that's social proof. Line them pictures up. Take the same picture, the same pose, take it on each one and just show you before and after, in the middle. Document that journey. Use that as social proof. Use video if you have to. Use video of you doing a certain exercise, then show it 3 months, 6 months, 12 months later doing that same exercise where you're fitter, stronger, you can do more. Show the benefits, show that social proof of what you're telling them to do works. And it's kind of the same thing. That's how affiliate marketing can really benefit with social proof. Like I say, different ways you can do it. If you had a testimonial at the bottom and it was just a picture of someone's face that said, I've tried this diet, it was brilliant, it was the best thing that I ever did, I lost 150 pounds. It's still some kind of social proof, so it's probably better than none, but depending on the person that's reading that, the person who wants to believe you, the person who's ready to sign up and ready to pay for that product, it depends. Would that convince them enough? Or would a video, would photographs, would a video testimonial be better? Probably. So again, I want to thank Leonardo. He's inspired me to do this quick video. I hope it was of some use to someone, and it's certainly given me a lesson anyway, and it's shown me that I need to kind of validate my claims, whether I feel like I should or shouldn't. You've got to remember that some people need that, some people will want that to encourage them on their own journey as well. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe, hit the bell so that you get notifications, and cheers.